Shots fired! Shots fired! Let me see your hands!
March 25th, 2026. Houston, Texas. Around 4 p.m., a 911 call comes in from near a school. A man with a pink bag and appearing to be armed is loitering around the school. Such reports are not uncommon for the Houston police. But this time, only one officer is on the scene. And this incident will be one of the most critical moments of that officer's career.
Drop the bag! Drop the bag! 1713 making contact. Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag, sir! Drop the bag! Good! Drop the bag! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Stop! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! 1713 making contact. Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag, sir! Drop the bag! Good! Drop the bag! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
At 3:57 p.m., the officer arrives at Block 5800 of Glenmont Drive. He quickly identifies the person matching the description, Baratef Muhammad Al-Quda. Standard procedure follows. The officer approaches, identifies himself. The command to drop the bag is given repeatedly and clearly. Al-Quda does not comply. Here, it's necessary to add a parenthetical note. According to U.S. police training protocol, when a suspect is armed and does not comply with commands, the officer must assume the threat is real. This assumption is confirmed within seconds. Al-Quda reaches into his bag, pulls out a gun and opens fire. The bullet grazes the officer's right abdomen, just centimeters from a vital area. The officer returns fire. Al-Quda chooses to flee, heading towards a nearby apartment complex.
Stop! I'm in an apartment complex. Suspect's down. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! I'm in an apartment complex just north of my vehicle. Suspect's down. Turn around. Fuck. Hey, come inside the gate. I'm in front of the red truck.
Despite being wounded, the officer does not abandon the chase. This decision is debatable, but from a protocol standpoint, pursuing a suspect who is armed and poses an active threat is considered mandatory. Inside the complex, the officer again orders Al-Quda to stop. Al-Quda does not stop. The officer is forced to open fire a second time. Al-Quda dies there. There's a noteworthy detail here. The officer, who is also wounded, administers first aid to Al-Quda until the paramedics arrive. The HBD specifically emphasizes this detail in its official statement, whether this is a procedural requirement or a humane reflex. Houston Fire Department paramedics arrive shortly afterward. Al-Quda has died at the scene. The officer is taken to the hospital. His injuries are not life-threatening.
¿Cuál es el apartamento este? Los nombres. Cedar Glen Apartments, apartment number 13. Hey, he had a gun on me, bro. He ran this way. Cedar Glen Apartments.
Shot him? 1714 negative, so it's with the same. Got you, Dean Rope?
No, not yet. Get over here, bro.
1714, okay, it should be in rope.
He had a gun, bro.
Where is it?
He ran through these woods right here.
Where's the gun?
He ran inside these little trees. Check that shed. Trying to get a flight. I fired. I got a holster, bro. He dropped the gun.
Where you dropping at?
He ran through here. Hey, walked this aisle through inside the tree behind the shed. Checked the truck and the.
You okay?
No, I'm good. I think I felt something, but I'm good. Hey. Okay, all right. Hey, you got him right here, bro?
I'm good.
All right. Got my magazine right there. He ran through here. Here's the gun over there. There's the gun. Fuck.
Oh, fuck. The entrance.
The HBD announced that the investigation is ongoing. In the U.S., it is standard procedure for an independent oversight unit to be involved in every case where a police officer uses a firearm. This case is no exception. Now I would like to ask a few questions. First, is responding to a report of a gun near a school with only one officer a proper resource management approach? Are standard response protocols sufficient for such cases? Second, the officer continued the chase while injured. This decision involves both courage and risk. Protocol or initiative? Where is the line? Third, Al-Quda's identity, motivation, and what he was doing there that day are not yet clear. The investigation is ongoing. It is too early to pass judgment. This incident is a new link in the ongoing debate about police-civilian conflict in the U.S. As with every case, both criticism and context are needed. How do you evaluate this incident? Were the officer's decisions appropriate? Does deploying him alone indicate a systemic problem? Please share your opinions in the comments. Until the next case, stay away from crime